Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, here at the wig shop. Yeah, today I've worked alone. No one in here, so here alone. So guys, I want to show you some of the wigs we've been working on, like I told you in the other previous videos. Like we've been working on these blunt cuts. Hope you can see them well. We mix this color. These are two colors, guys. These are two colors. It's pink and blue. Pink and blue. So this is a color 30. It's also a blunt cut. It's also a blunt cut. I think it can look good on me. Yeah. It's a blunt cut. So guys, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We still need more blunt cuts, guys. So we got this one also. This is color 30 and a little bit of black at the top. And this is black. This is black, guys. I still need more of the blunt cuts. These are not enough. These are not enough. I still need more of them. Holes. Guys, these are our best selling wigs. These are our best selling wigs, guys. So yeah, I'm also working on these. Guys, this ventilating this wig, it's not easy. It takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of time, guys. So I'm also going to work on this. I'll be showing you in other videos. So guys, these are the wigs we have here in our shop. So guys, there is this one. Just still working on it. It's still on the journey. Guys, I think I'll be coming more of this big. I'll be coming with more of these videos, but I'll start with a 5-minute video. Yeah, not that too long, not that too short. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe at Princess No. Don't forget to subscribe at my YouTube channel, Patsal Wave Series. Guys, it's a little bit difficult for me to record every day, but I'll try my level best to be coming with more of the video vlogs every week. Yeah. Love ya guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and you can comment. You can put your thoughts in the comment section what you want me to do in the next videos. The type of videos you want me to record. So guys, Nadia. Bye bye.